Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look into one of the questions which appears in the IELTS reading section, which is the short answer questions. Here, we are going to look into the about and significance, the strategies which will be useful in solving this type of questions, some of the tips to answer these questions accurately, followed by practice examples. Now, about and significance in IELTS reading section consists of various types of questions, one of which is short answers, which requires the test takers to provide brief answers based on given passage, making it important to understand the strategies and techniques for answering these questions accurately. Short answers questions play a vital role in IELTS reading section as they test the ability to comprehend specific information, requiring the candidate to closely analyze the given passage and provide concise and accurate answers. Now, some of the strategies for answering these questions are as follows. Firstly, read the instructions carefully. Secondly, skim the passage for keywords. Thirdly, focus on the main idea. Fourthly, use paraphrasing. And fifthly, pay attention to grammar and spellings. The first strategy is reading the instructions carefully. Before attempting the short answer questions in IELTS reading section, it is crucial to read the instructions carefully to understand the expected and avoid any mistakes. The next strategy is skim through the passage for keywords. Skimming through the passage for keywords is a technique used in the IELTS reading section to quickly identify relevant information and find short answer questions efficiently. The next strategy is to focus on the main idea. Focusing on the main idea is crucial in short answer questions as it helps you understand the key point of the passage and provide a concise and relevant answer. Use paraphrasing. This is one of the effective strategies in answering the short answer questions in IELTS reading section. Paraphrasing involves restating the information from the passage in your own words, allowing you to demonstrate comprehension and avoid copying directly from the text. The next one is paying attention to grammar and spellings. This aspect is key to accuracy in short answer questions. Therefore, in attempting these type of questions, it is important to pay attention to grammar and spelling, as even a small mistake can result in a wrong answer. Now, some of the tips for answering these short answer questions are as follows. Tip 1. Always read the question first and understand the main idea. Tip 2 is scan through the passage looking for that information. Tip 3. When you locate the information in the passage, read it carefully to understand the meaning, which is very important. Tip number 4 is read the question again for accuracy. Tip number 5 is underline the word or words that answers the question. Tip number 6 is remember the word limit. Now let us look into some of the practice examples in this type of questions. The first practice example is in form of a passage on knowledge. What I want you to do is I want you all to pause this video, go through this passage and then be ready to answer the questions. I hope you've gone through the passage carefully, and now let us see what is the question in relation to the passage. Answer in not more than 3 words. So as you know, you need to be careful as to how many words the question is asking, and accordingly you need to be able to find the answer. The question is, in relation to the passage, what exactly overwhelms people? Now this is the question. Now if you read the passage carefully, you will be able to understand that the fourth line of the passage states, it is not surprising to see people overwhelmed by the unlimited stream of information. So as you can answer in not more than 3 words, so you can choose the 3 words and the answer is stream of information. Yes? So here is your answer. You can check your answers if you found the right answer, otherwise review them. Yes? Now let us go on to the next practice example. Now there is a passage again in the form of an example. It is on city entrepreneurs. I want you again to pause the video and go through the passage carefully. Once you've gone through the passage, you can be ready to answer the question. I hope you've gone through the passage carefully. Now the question again here you need to understand is, it is asking you not more than 3 words. And the question is, what do city entrepreneurs own in country areas? So what do they own? If you've gone through the passage carefully, you will understand that the 6th line of the passage states, it is common for city entrepreneurs to own tour companies in country areas, which can mean the money you pay ends up in the city rather than in the community being visited. So the answer here is, what do they own? They own tour companies. So you can check whether you've got the right answer. Yes? So these were the 2 practice examples in relation to short answer questions. Okay, so let's practice and review. Now, in order to enhance your short answer question skills, it is vital to practice and review. By regularly practicing answering short answer questions, you can become more familiar with the format, improve your speed and accuracy, and identify the areas of improvement. Additionally, reviewing your answers allows you to identify any mistakes, learn from them, and make necessary adjustments to your approach. This continuous practice and review will ultimately enhance your performance in answering short answer questions in IELTS reading section, leading to a high score. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. If you require more updates on this type of information, please share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.